Hello, my love. Welcome to the mat. Today we are doing a simple yoga for beginners routine. This is a gentle, quick minute from your class. No flexibility required. Just show up as you are. Let's begin. Start by sitting comfortably in easy pose. With a straight spine, roll your shoulders back and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and exhale slowly. Letting go of all stress, focus entirely on your breath. Child pose. From here, gently transition onto your hands and knees. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, push your hips all the way back into child pose. Extend your arms forward, lower your forehead to the mat, and breathe smoothly into your lower back. Cat cow. Slowly lift your hips up to a tabletop position for cat cow. Drop your belly down and lift your chest to look up at the sky. Then exhale completely as you round your spine like a cat and tuck your chin to your chest. From your tabletop, tuck your toes under and take a deep inhale. As you exhale, press firmly onto your hands and lift your hips high into downward facing dog. Keep a soft bend in your knees. Inhale deeply and exhale as your head hangs heavy. Look forward and inhale as you step your right foot outside your right hand for the world's greatest stretch. Keep your back leg straight. Now exhale and sweep your right arm straight up to the sky. Twisting your chest open, look up and take long, steady breaths. Exhale, bring your right hand down and step back. Now inhale as you step your left foot forward outside your left hand. Exhale and lift your left arm high toward the sky. Twisting from your middle back, open your chest wide and breathe deeply through the twist. Lower your hands, step back and gently slide your entire body flat onto your belly. Place your hands under your shoulders. Inhale deeply as you gently peel your chest off into Cobra Pose. Using your back muscles, exhale as you hold, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Press yourselves up, swing your legs out in front and come into a seated position. Bring the sole of your feet together for butterfly pose. Release your feet, roll down onto your back and bend your knees for breeze pose. Keep your feet flat close to your glutes. Inhale as you press down firmly and lift your hips high toward the ceiling. Exhale and hold. Breathing calmly into your belly. Lower your hips, extend your right leg long and hug your left knee into your chest. Inhale deeply and as you exhale, guide your left knee across your body to the right for lying twist. Extend your left arm out, look left and exhale all the tightness away. Inhale your knee back to the center. Extend your left leg and hug your right knee in. Take a deep breath in and as you exhale, guide your right knee across to the left side. Open your right arm wide, relax your lower back and breathe slowly. Slowly bring your body back to the center. Extend both legs long and rest your arms by your sides for relaxed pose. Turn your palms up, close your eyes and let go of all control over your breath. Let your body melt completely heavy into the floor. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Thank yourself for taking this time today. If you enjoyed this beginner class, please like, comment and subscribe for more simple routine. Namaste.